Did you hear that? Shut up, Chase. We need to focus now. Come on, I gotta pee.
Oh, for God's sakes. All right, I'm going to go ahead and approve it, but the head office is going to have my head for this.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
But you kids, don't go too crazy. Enjoy your sexy time. Okay. Bye now. I will leave now. Ciao.
I didn't drink anything, Liam.
What's this?
What
was in the bag?
I
You're just gonna tell me it just got here?
already said I can explain. Are you interested in hearing me, or are you just gonna keep jumping to your own conclusions?
No! No! No, 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 no! I know change takes time! I need to be absolutely sure that you'll be okay. You'll stay right here until I can be sure that you'll be safe and you and I can finally be happy together.
Chances are, if you found this video, then you're just like me. You want to know the truth. You want to know how and why you can do these strange things.